The SAE Live Rig. The SAE Live Rig is a sophisticated setup optimizing the Avid Venue system built up of the S3 console as well as the E3 engine, allowing for 32 live inputs as well as 16 aux sends, 8 effects returns and 16 live outputs. It also has the ability to record into Pro Tools, as well as the ability to run Avid's virtual soundcheck feature, which can be very helpful for learning how to prepare a mix for live gigs without the need of having a live artist. The console's main navigation section is located to the left-hand side of the console, and it allows you to take full control of the pan pots. The digital name screens also make it very clear what you are altering, and help you to change your routing very easily. The board also has 16 faders, which are banked and control all faders in your live rig, and can also be used as a graphic EQ. Avid also made recording your set into Pro Tools a piece of cake, as the Venue system links directly into your Mac or PC and allows you to record safely. To set up the live rig, first an operator must turn on the stage box, computer, as well as the Avid control surface. Once loaded, remember to load the default settings from the filing section, as you never know who was using the console last. While running signal from an iPod or computer into the designated auxiliary cable at the right of the console, bring up faders 47 and 48 on the third layer of the control surface. The front of house system at SAE is a three-way monitoring system, being fed from the 3 designated amps. To test each amp is feeding the right part of the speaker, send signal to the amps and slowly turn up the amp. Always start by feeding the highest frequencies, as we do not want to pop a tweeter if the setup is wrong. Once confirmed that the signal is going where we want, turn down your media volume and then max out your amps. To tune front of house, turn up your selected media and pull up the graphic EQ for front of house located in the outputs menu. This can be done by selecting the front of house faders on the computer interface. Try and listen for problem frequencies, and once found, lift up the frequency, then pull it down. The faders on the console can also be used to do this by pressing the button on the right hand side of the console. In live situations, you may also want to apply reverb and delay as effects to your mix. To do this, open your effects return section on the interface and rename one of your returns the same as the auxiliary. Remember to set both your auxiliaries and return faders to Unity and turn them off mute. Open up your plugins menu and set the input and output of each as your auxiliary and returns respectively, and now send your signal from your instruments to your effects through the auxiliary. Hope you are now ready to jump into your first live setup.